job one for the spring, doing dirt work. And this house has been here for about 3 years. This dirt's been sitting here for 3 years. There's a guy out there running a skid steer. So he's taken all that dirt and moved it down there and got me where, as the hill slopes down, he got me more earth to be able to put a footing there, back there on this north side of this house. So he's packing it in. That's why he's running up and down the hill. So this is technically day one of building an extension that'll go there just on the other side of that air conditioner unit. So when he's done on the other side, he'll come over here and take care of these piles. I gotta move this stuff out of the way. But and then we'll take that dirt and come over against that porch right here and dress up along the front back there where it's been just barren. So you have a nice, you don't have a step there on the end of your concrete. After the dirt work's been done, the next step would be to get an electric service line ran from our power pole right there. Over on that pole is a meter, and we can tie into that. There's a second spot we can bring in that service wire, and it'll get buried from that pole down through here, all the way around the house. So when they say that the service wire, that's this 4-aught aluminum, it's not copper. And that gets buried. We're gonna put it in conduit, PVC conduit, schedule 40. So we have all these pieces of conduit here. The wire will go inside the pipe, come through here and go around and go on the back side of the house. Come through the garden with wire, and then about in the middle, we'll stub up wire. There we go. He's packed that all down there on the back side and got a lovely, nice slope to it, and ready to dig for a footing. Okay, so here we have it. Dirt's been moved. Both ends. It's the afternoon now, 2:30, and the sun's come out now. So now that site is ready to go for putting in a foundation. So tomorrow, digging.